Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support, and if you're new to the channel, I like to extend a warm welcome. So I'm just out here to have a quick morning fix, and I have my Dragon drone out here and my T8SG, my multi-protocol transmitter. And as you probably noticed, I do have these 3-bladed props on the Dragon drone. This come from the Loolinn drone. I can't remember the exact name of this Loolinn drone that I have, but the Loolinn does have extra props, and these are it. Tri-blades. So I wanted to try these tri-blades out on this. It seemed like it worked pretty nice indoors, so I brought it out here to share it with you guys out here and see how it flies out here. Any questions or comments you have, leave them in the comment section about this Dragon drone. I will have a link in the description so you can check out another video of this Dragon drone, maybe more than one, but let's get this guy up in the air. And this thing is super quiet now. Check it out. Oh wow, and I have the yaw turned down really low on this thing. Let me fix the yaw on it real quick. I was fooling with one of my Baying protocol quads. Okay, so we got the yaw all the way up again now. So let's check it out. Okay, looks right about right. Check out the flip. So this thing flips a little nicer now, a little more smooth now. Bunch of leaves out here. Man, this thing is super quiet now. Sounds like a mosquito, where before it seemed to sound like angry bumblebees. Sun glare in my eyes. Meow. Meow. And this thing is awesome still. And quiet. So I just wanted to check this thing out outdoors with these tri-blades on it. I've been flying it indoors with these tri-blades, and it's been very quiet indoors, and it's even more quiet out here, it seems, with all the background noise and stuff. You could barely hear this thing. Up into the sun. On point more with its flips now. Still on point with the speed. I'm thinking maybe the flight time is affected though, but I got new batteries now, so it's not really showing that bad, and it's cold out here. Let me see if it's flashing. This thing doesn't really have lights, so you have to look at the eyes, which are the only LEDs on this thing, to see if they're blinking, to tell if this thing is going in LVC. I don't want to risk losing this guy in these leaves out here. So I'm just going to bring it in early. Dragon drones, I believe, are still available on Amazon. This is a top race quad. Top race is still active in the game on Amazon with RCs, and so shouldn't have any problem grabbing one of these awesome drones. Although I don't know how you would get these tri-blades. I'm not sure if Loolinn offers replacement blades for their drone or not. Little squirrel over there. Let me leave that squirrel alone before my drone fall down. So the Dragon drone from Top Race, ultra quiet with these tri-blades on it. Morning Fix. Thanks for watching.